Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best side dishes is probably one of the most underrated aspects of a great meal. They're the unsung heroes that add depth, flavor, and excitement to your plate. From crispy, golden brown fries to vibrant, refreshing salads, the right side dish can elevate any main course. In this video, we'll explore the world of side dishes, helping you discover new favorites and master the art of creating the perfect meal. Number 5. Knorr Pasta Sides 4 Cheese Pasta, 8-pack. Introducing Knorr Pasta Sides 4 Cheese Pasta. It's a creamy and cheesy pasta side dish that adds amazing flavor to your meals. This pasta combines fusilli pasta with a Parmesan, Romano, blue, and cheddar cheese-flavored sauce. It's a perfect blend of flavors. Knorr Pasta Sides contains no artificial flavors, preservatives, or added MSG, except for those naturally occurring glutamates. You can enjoy it without worry. Our pasta side dishes are quick and easy to prepare. This dish cooks in just 10 minutes, making it a convenient option for any meal. Use it as an ingredient in a delicious easy pasta recipe or as a side dish on its own. It's a versatile addition to your cooking. You can easily prepare it on the stove or in a microwave. It's simple to make, no matter your preferred method. What we like? This pasta side dish is ready in just 10 minutes, perfect for busy weeknights. It's also free of artificial flavors and preservatives, so you can feel good about what you're eating. If you're looking for a convenient and tasty side dish, this is a great option. What people say. The quality is great, and they are easy to prepare. The result is a perfectly cooked, al dente noodle in a rich, creamy sauce. Quick to make, filling, and only requires adding milk. Number 4. DOWAN 9.25 Oval Serving Bowls, set of 4. Introducing the DOWAN 9.25 Oval Serving Bowls. These large, soft white bowls are perfect for weddings, dinner parties, or any special event. They'll elevate your table setting effortlessly. With a 35-ounce capacity, these bowls are ideal for salads, pasta, or side dishes. Its oval shape and ample size make it perfect for double servings, ensuring everyone gets a satisfying portion. The unique oval shape and clean lines add a modern touch to your table. The design allows food to cool quickly, enhancing your dining experience. The soft white color complements any tableware. These porcelain bowls stack neatly, saving space in your cabinets. The smooth, glazed surface makes them easy to clean, and they are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Crafted from premium porcelain, these bowls are sturdy and safe for your family. They are microwave, oven, and freezer safe. Remember to avoid extreme temperature changes when using them. These versatile bowls are great for kitchen prep and serving guests. Use them for mixing ingredients or presenting dishes at family gatherings and parties. They are a must-have for any host. What we like? These serving bowls offer a generous capacity, ideal for family meals or entertaining. The unique oval shape adds a modern touch to your table, and they're easy to clean. If you're hosting a dinner party or simply want stylish and functional serving dishes, consider these. What people say. The set of 4 is perfect for salads, pasta, or side dishes. They're stylish, sturdy, and the perfect size with a 36-ounce capacity. Plus, they came very well packed and are microwave and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The size is perfect for mashed potatoes, or a whole chicken. The handles make it easy to carry onto the table or wash afterwards. They are a quality product and look really nice on the table. They hold plenty and look great on table, counter, etc. Number 3. Home Beets 4PC Matte Black Oval Baking Dishes. Introducing the Home Beets Baking Dishes, perfect for individual servings. They are ideal for a variety of dishes, from au gratin potatoes to mini casseroles. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, this set is both oven and microwave safe. The matte black finish complements any kitchen decor, and it's also chip-resistant. These baking dishes offer a superior cooking experience. The non-stick surface ensures easy food release, enhancing both taste and quality. Each dish features small handles for easy and safe transport. This makes serving guests a breeze, perfect for baked mac and cheese or other single-serve delights. These reusable baking pans make a thoughtful gift for any occasion. They are ideal for housewarmings, holidays, or any time you want to share the joy of cooking. What we like. These baking dishes are perfect for a variety of dishes, from casseroles to individual servings. The matte black finish adds a touch of elegance, and the handles make them easy to carry. If you like to make individual portions or want a stylish baking dish, you should consider these. What people say. Simple, single-serving casserole dishes. Well made and perfect for any occasion. Great small casserole dish ideal for cassoulet, which was just what we were looking for. Size is perfect for single serving. Ceramic was very easy to clean and heats up great in the oven. I was looking for something to make individual cottage pies, and these are the perfect size. I can use them as serving dishes and for other single-serving casseroles and even baked side dishes. Very versatile. Love. Number 2. Knorr Cheddar Broccoli Pasta Sides, 4.3 ounces, pack of 4. Introducing Knorr Cheddar Broccoli Pasta Sides. This side dish expertly combines broccoli florets with a creamy cheddar cheese sauce. It's a delicious addition to any meal. You can enjoy this pasta side knowing there are no artificial flavors. It's made with quality ingredients for a great taste. Preparing this side is quick and easy. It cooks in just 7 minutes, making it perfect for busy weeknights. You have options for cooking. Prepare it on the stovetop or in the microwave, whichever is most convenient for you. Knorr Pasta Sides Cheddar Broccoli enhances your meals with amazing flavor. It's a simple way to add a tasty side to your plate. What we like. This pasta side dish features a classic cheddar broccoli flavor that everyone loves. It cooks in just 7 minutes, making it a quick and easy addition to any meal. If you want a tasty and convenient side dish, you should try this. What people say. Out of the ordinary, I'll see items on Amazon I cannot pass up. These certainly were one of those items. I was immediately grateful I had them in my pantry, especially when I have unexpected guests arrive and they're invited to eat with my family. I've simply grabbed these to add along with whatever's being prepared, and they're ready to eat in such a short time. Good product. Easy to make. Add your own additional ingredients to make taste even better. Knorr pasta sides are an easy side dish which go with anything you make for an entree. They are tasty and light, not taking away from other flavors of your meal but enhancing with a side which is high in protein. Number 1. Knorr Cheddar Broccoli Rice Sides, 5.7 ounces, 4 pack. Are you looking for a delicious and easy side dish? This one expertly combines broccoli florets with a creamy cheddar cheese sauce. It's a perfect addition to any meal. You can enjoy this side dish without any artificial flavors. It's made with quality ingredients to ensure a great taste. It's a simple way to add flavor to your dinner. Need a quick meal solution? This rice and pasta blend cooks in just 7 minutes. It's perfect for busy weeknights when you want a tasty meal fast. You have options for how to prepare it. You can cook it on the stovetop or in the microwave. It's convenient and easy to make, no matter your preference. This rice and pasta blend side dish enhances your meals with amazing flavor. It's a simple way to make your dinner more exciting. Try it today. What we like. This rice side dish combines the delicious flavors of cheddar and broccoli. It's ready in just 7 minutes, making it a convenient choice for any meal. If you like the classic cheddar broccoli combination, you should consider this. What people say. This is very delicious, was so easy to prepare. With Knorr it only takes 20 minutes and add some chicken or shrimp and extra fresh broccoli florets and it's a great meal done quickly in one pot. They are fast, easy and taste so good. You can't go wrong with their cheddar broccoli and rice. It pairs well with chicken and pork chops, which is what I use it with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.